Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. As we all know that India's nuclear programs are most secretive project of Government of India. Recently, India has successfully tested its intercontinental ballistic missile Agni 5. Now timing of the test is very interesting. The test was conducted on 27th October 7:50 pm, that is after the sunset. The press release by Government of India did not clarify about the type of warhead used in Agni 5. Some think tank claims it to be MIRV. Chinese scientists are questioning the playdown range of Agni 5, that is officially 5000 km. Also, recently commissioned India's ballistic missile tracking ship INS Dhruv has its own role in testing of Agni 5 missile. So let's begin the discussion on less known story of Agni 5. Agni 5 is one of the most deadly missiles India has so far. It has a terminal velocity of Mach 24 and can hit remote locations of China just in 19 minutes. It is equipped with a ring laser gyroscope based inertial navigation system which is used for measuring the rotation and motion of the missile. Optionally, it can be guided by GPS or NAVAC satellite guidance. The recent picture or launch video of Agni 5 test is not available in public domain, which means that there is something to hide. Most probably they are hiding the missile nose cone. A MIRV missile has a blunt nose cone, whereas a single warhead missile has a sharp nose cone. Also, the test was conducted in dark, that is, after the sunset to provide natural cover. However, the official government press release did not mention about MIRV or type of warhead used. So India is neither talking about the warhead nor denying it. For instance, the Agni 5 has a diameter of 2 meters that could make them capable of carrying MIRV. In fact, according to the reports, not just Agni 5 but missiles like Agni 3 are also being capable of carrying MIRV warheads. However, it is not just the diameter of the missile system that would only matter. So, as per some unconfirmed news, India has tested Agni 5 with MIRV capability, hitting two different targets in Bay of Bengal. The obvious target of Agni 5 is Chinese. They did not buy it and stated that the missile was being tested at a shorter range than its maximum. They believe the Agni 5 has a range of 8000 km, making it a true ICBM. India has only stated that their ICBM has a range of over 5000 km, but clearly did not state the range of more than 5500 km. India does not want to alarm the Western countries by openly testing an ICBM, as those nations would be well within the range of 8000 km Agni. So India tested missile at a range great enough to cover all of the China, but not enough to alarm the West. Now let us discuss the role of INS Dhruv in testing of Agni 5. As we all know that INS Dhruv is 10,000 ton satellite and ballistic missile tracking ship that are recently inducted. INS Dhruv was on its first outing during trials of Agni 5 missile last month. INS Dhruv has been used for scanning various trajectories and flight path of the Agni 5. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.